right murezimbabwe zvinenge zvichipisa zvinenge zvichitenderera zvinenge zvichitenda ndo zvinoburitswa pano pabombshell television. Ndauya nenyaya yeholy 10 iri kutendera iri kupisa mastreets izvezvi. If you're new here, you're all welcome and I think you know what to do. Yeah, like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe. As a returning subscriber, aiwa Akupenga guys, I really appreciate your support guys. Ngokuti support zvinodadisa ndo zvinotipa simba rekuti tirambe tichitsvaga zvinenge zvichipisa tichikupai panapa right. Hanzi meanwhile holy 10 calls Winky D a snake hanzi longer than his dreadlocks. Saka pane zvazotaurwa nahope chimwono hanzi my brother holy 10 stop player hating. Winky D has been doing this music thing for decades, so you might learn something from engaging with him. Winky D is bigger and this is everywhere. This is why everyone was happy to see him give you an opportunity to duet. Show some respect. Because maitskira pane video yandakuratidza interview mataurira aita holy 10 zvinenge zvakuzonyanya because pazvakambobuda ndakatozvisiya ndikati ngazvingoita pamwe maybe ari kuda kuti album ritrende but it seems like yange isiri curtain raising kwakutori kutodhisa zvitori pachena akutoti arada kuzviregireta. Saka watch the video.
At any point did you feel like it might have been a setup?
It can't have been a setup.
It can't have been a setup.
It can't have been a setup. Because at the end of the day, even the snake, I'm going to tell you, the man that you're talking about is a snake longer than his dreadlocks. But even the serpent, that apple, that became a global disaster, did not force it into his mouth.
Yeah.
She was involved.
She was involved.
He spoke and she made the decision.
Yeah.
So
you are Eve in this context.
I'm Eve.
Yeah.
Yeah. I maybe that's why I didn't graduate.
Yeah. With your positioning, then you feel like you shouldn't have done that particular feature, that particular song. You would have preferred it to be another song with a different message.
I would have never done a song with Winky G.
And Winky G. Yeah.
That's me avoiding to be sued. I'm not stupid.
Yeah.
I've done law.
Yeah.
We signed contracts.
Yeah.
Yeah.